Building construction process is a very complicated set of steps that includes various types of phases, activities, and sub-activities. Welcome to today's topic: Learn building construction process in a step-by-step approach. Remember, this presentation is solely done for low-risk building like simplex, duplex or triplex within a maximum covered area of 3,000 square feet and buildings built from scratch. So, without wasting much of our time, let's take a deep into the sequence of activities. The various building construction phases includes planning, mobilization, core house, finishing, MEP and interiors. Going forward, we will segregate these phases into sub-points. First phase is planning or pre-construction activities, includes activities like site visit, blueprints preparation. Under blueprints, architectural plans with 3D views, structural detailing, MEP and interior layout plans are covered. Under third activity in sequence is preparation of project management tools for analysis and project tracking, basically includes project estimation and timeline schedule. Second phase is mobilization or logistical support creation, which includes activities like site preparation. Under it are sub-activities like site cleaning, site leveling and specialized works. Next in the line are site facilitation works, raw materials field test and site layout. Site layout is the most important activity that forms the stepping stone towards a errorless execution of works. Also, this activity is a repetitive and evaluative work. Third phase includes core house construction, which is divided into two parts by plinth top level, under which numerous multi-activities are performed. First is substructure. Under it lies foundation works, then periphery wall, backfilling and cover-up works like waterproofing, anti-termite treatment, etc. are done. Second in the line is superstructure or structure above the plinth level, includes sub-bands, up to lintel level, up to rooftop level, various cover-up works like plaster, tier 4 waterproofing, etc., and miscellaneous works like roof parapet, overhead water tank, etc. Some important sub-activities like brickworks, reinforcement, shuttering and concreting activities are inclusive in the core house construction phase. Fourth phase is finishing, and it plays a quite important role in getting an aesthetic look to the building. First activity in the line is flooring, which includes sub-activities like bathroom wall tiles, skirting, exterior wall tiles if any. Second in the line is painting, which includes sub-activities as such painting of external and internal walls and enamel painting of mild steel items like grills, gates and railings. Third in the line is openings and edge protection, that basically includes doors and windows, grills, gates and railings. Fifth phase is MEP with full form, mechanical, electrical and plumbing. First is mechanical part, which includes erection of headroom shed and parking shed or awning. Second in the line is electrical works, which is a side-by-side activity. Basically, electrical works are done in various phases like pipe conduiting before slab casting, wall conduiting before wall plaster, and then wiring, paneling and installation of switch gears and fixtures at the end. Third in the line is plumbing and sanitary works covering water and sanitary pipeline in core house cover-up works, then installation of sanitary wares, faucets and bathroom fixtures like towel hanger, ring, soap case, etc. at the end stage. Sixth phase is interiors. This is a post-handing over works, yet quite popular among the modern home owners. First activity in the interiors includes false ceiling, which uses false board with conceal framing system and also uses pop or fiber cement based cornice around ceiling, giving a great aesthetic value. It has a versatile sections of products that help to provide an elegant view of your ceiling. Second in the list is wall cladding, that involves laminates, louvers and wallpaper. Even wall cladding around doors provide a gorgeous entry into your rooms. Third in the line is cabinets for bedroom wardrobe, modular kitchen and TV display section. Last and not the least is partition using drywall board, an awesome looking see-through partitions separating drawing and dining area of your living room. Hope you understood the building construction process with proper sequence. We will learn in more elaborate manner in our upcoming topics. Thank you for watching the complete video. See you in the next video, types of site, under the prime topic, site visit. Do like, share and subscribe our channel.